QuillBot's Grammar Checker helps you write clean, professional content without the stress of endless proofreading. Work more efficiently with smart suggestions that improve grammar, clarity, and tone in just a few clicks. To get started with the Grammar Checker, let's paste our memo into the text field. If you prefer, you can also upload your text. In the Grammar tab, you will have the option to accept or ignore suggestions in the right side panel. Grammar edits will correct errors in your copy, but to further enhance your writing and improve clarity, view premium recommendations. You also have the option to select your writing task type, which will help QuillBot tailor suggestions to your specific writing goals. Grammar Checker now features AI commands, which allow you to generate text quickly through prompts or access different paraphrasing modes. Let's rewrite our text to be more concise. That's better, but it ends a bit abruptly. Okay, this is almost finished. Let's add some formatting. If you have a longer document and want to control the edits you receive, you can open Preferences and toggle certain suggestions on or off. You can also control the recommendations you are able to receive. Furthermore, if you don't want words to be flagged as misspelled, you can create a custom dictionary. Lastly, if you're interested in learning how your copy will be perceived, you can view the statistics like tone and readability, as well as other key details like word count.